Today, Maxwell goes to Round Hill Park. Are you excited to see all the farm animals? What's your favorite animal? Maxwell's so excited, he can't wait. Maxwell's ready to cool down and look at some farm animals. Look at all the hay. They give it to the pigs and the horses and the birds. Look what it says. It says, do not feed animals and treat all animals with kindness. You should treat all your animals with kindness, even your pets. It's a really big horsey. Oh wow, it's a pretty horse. This one's empty. Look, some donkeys. They're all eating. Everybody's eating. It's food time. Is it a donkey or it's a baby horse? It's a baby horse, actually. Yummy, yummy, yum, too. It's food time. They're licking all their crumbs. Their lunch was so good. Oh wow, and this is the biggest piggy of them all. Oink, oink. Oh, he's sleeping. Aww. It's always nice to take a nap after Maxwell. He's speechless. They were so cool. Piggy's sleeping.
Oh my goodness, someone tooted in here. It stinks.
Those are baby horses.
You call those horses? Not impressed.
Isn't that crazy? Horse.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy, Mom.
H-O-R-S-E. Horse. It's a baby. B-A-B-Y.
Yeah, I know how to spell, thanks.
Pig. P-I-G. Pig.
I'm hungry.
Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. It's a big horse. B-I-G-H-O-R-S-E. Big horse. That one's even bigger. It's eating. Everyone's eating. It's lunch. What'd you have for lunch, Maxwell? Chicken nuggets, huh?
Nuggets.
Look at the cows. There's a black one and a brown one. How many cows are there? 2. 1, 2. One black and one brown. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Cow. C-O-W. Uh-oh. He's mad. He don't want to share his food. Put them up on the fence post. They're pretty. They got red, all different kinds of colors. Their heads are always red. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. What do you think of them, Maxwell? soft. They'd be nice to cuddle with, but I don't think they're friendly. You got them beaks that can peck you. He just crowed. They usually do that real early in the morning. I bet when it's real early, they're all of them are doing that. He must have been saying hello. Because he wasn't saying good morning. How many are up on the ledges? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 roosters up on the ledges. Look, some of them are in their beds sleeping. They're all full because they had their lunch. It's a good time to take a nap after lunch. So, did you have fun? What was your favorite animal? What was your favorite animal, everyone? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.